the Radiant Skin Ritual, which features our facial Kansa wand, comes with the following items. So, of course, you're going to get your facial Kansa wand, and it comes in this little travel pouch. Okay, so this base is made of shisham wood. And then this here is bronze, which is known in India as Kansa. And bronze is a sacred metal that's made, it's a 4-to-1 ratio of copper and tin. And the Kansa wand has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine to help renew the skin and help to smooth fine line and wrinkles. It also balances the pH of the skin, detoxifies, lifts the skin, and also helps to improve circulation and lymphatic flow. This little wand actually predates the Chinese gua sha facial tool and also the jade roller. So this is such a cool ancient skincare tool that is highly effective. Okay, so that's what comes in there, and also you get your choice of Pavani serum and also a 1/2 ounce floral water. Okay, so how do you use all this stuff? Well, you're going to combine 3 to 6 drops of your serum into the palm of your hand, and then 3 to 6 drops of your floral water. Mix it together in the palm of your hand and apply the serum and floral water onto your neck and your face. It smells amazing. And I always like to put an extra drop or 2 of serum directly onto the Kansa wand. So using the oil with the wand is really important because it's going to help the tool just glide smoothly across your face. And it's great to use the wand because it really helps to draw the nutrients from the floral water and the serum deep into the skin's layers. So how you're going to do this is start with downward strokes at the neck, just helping to improve the lymphatic flow. Then you can go upward. Just avoid the throat area. You don't want to activate the thyroid in any way. And then you can start to contour the jawline. Just gentle gliding strokes. Okay? And you're reaching up to the ear line. Okay, you can definitely go across here, the upper lip region, and just keep making your way up towards the eyes. And this tool, the Kansa wand, can help reduce any puffiness under the eyes, help detoxify. And of course, we got to get the eyes here. So it's these gentle upward strokes. And then I just like to go across the forehead. So you could do it like that. You could also do it all the way. Also nice to do gentle upward lifting strokes this way. You could hold at the third eye center. Okay. Making little gentle circles. So you could repeat that process, and you could move more slowly than I have in this video. Just for time's sake, I wanted to show you all the strokes you can do. But yeah, Ayurveda recommends massaging the face with your Kansa wand for 15 to 20 minutes for optimal benefits and results.